I'm Steve from Workbench-Z, and today we're going to remove this toilet. First thing to do is to make sure that the water is turned off. That's already been done here, and we've already disconnected the supply line from the tank. The tank has already been drained, and so has the toilet, so we can go straight on to removing it. Next, we're going to disconnect the tank from the pedestal. There's a bolt on each side. Actually helps a little bit to have the camera down there so I can see what I'm doing.
I'm about to say, that's cheating.
Okay, we're going to remove the flange bolts that hold the toilet down to the sanitary flange. And with the bolts removed, the tank just lifts off. Set it here for now so that it's safe. And then with the bolts down there removed, the toilet itself comes off very easily. Okay, I'll turn that around. Okay, this is all ready for the plumber to come in and do their job. Have a great day.